it's Jennifer Vatsa here of Belladonna's Botanicals. Just want to talk about something that's been percolating. I've been experimenting with a little bit and answering the question of, can you do baneful energy work and healing? The short answer is possibly. As you know, I've been trained in doing energy work, and that tends to be a little bit more on the love and light spectrum of things, and universal life force energy and whatnot. But I am a practitioner of black magic and walk a left-hand path, so of course I have to fuck around and find out. And I'm from Philadelphia, so Anyways, one of the things I started working on maybe last month, when I was having the chronic pain in my back was a lot more intense, was pain displacement techniques using energy work, and a little bit of Baneful Magick on the side. So basically, if you're taking the energy of something and pushing it out, it's kind of got to go somewhere. So why not send it to your enemies and people you don't like? So hey, that's what I've been working on, using that sort of pulling the energy from me and sending it out to enemies known and unknown. So hey, if you got a backache and you don't like me, oops. So I'm also starting to work on that a little bit. Tip of hat to a colleague of mine for the idea. They mentioned doing something similar in their Baneful Magick. Maybe not with the energy work aspect of it, but being someone that suffers with some, mental health issues, depression, anxiety, anger, that sort of stuff, trauma. I'm working to see if it works on displacing my shitty emotions. So, yeah. So, who's to say you can't be a little love and light and a little hate and light at the same time? I'm a modern girl. Modern problems require modern solutions. And I stand by that. So again, it's the same principle of drawing the negative emotion from me and sending it out to not in a targeted into any particular person, but just see how it works and if it makes me feel better. Like, I know when I started working on the pain displacement for my back pain, it really started feeling better pretty quickly, because I was at the point of wearing a back brace every day, and my mobility was not great, so I had to be doing that. I had to spend a lot of downtime, so I started doing that, at night, and it did help. So, yeah, I know probably some of the love and light and healer community is going to be like, clutching their pearls and whatnot, but hey, we all walk different paths, and my path can be a little precarious at times, so, and I have no problem with that. I own the magic I do, and the practices I do, and the entities I work with, and whatnot, and I do what I do, and I keep on doing it. Hail.